Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're turning up the heat, literally. I'm showing you guys how to make the most juicy steak ever. I'm talking about crispy on the outside, juicy and melt in your mouth on the inside. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it. And let's dive in. We're going to start by peeling our potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes, but you can use golden potatoes or any type of potato. Next, I'm going to cut the potato right in half like this. I'm going to cut it like this so it can boil as fast. Oh, that's so loud. I'm sorry. As fast as possible, okay? Now I'm going to rinse my potatoes and then we'll boil it. All right, it's time to boil the potatoes. I rinsed them for about 3 times to remove as much starch as I can. Now I'm just gonna let them boil until they're nice and soft. It shouldn't take too long. Once you're done with that, you're going to add a little bit of salt. Give it a stir, then cover. While my potatoes are boiling, I'm gonna start working on my chimichurri. So I'm going to finely chop my parsley. Once it's finely chopped like this, you're going to transfer it to a bowl, just like this. Next, I'm using 1 chili pepper for this recipe. However, you can use bell peppers if you don't want it spicy and just add some pepper flakes to it. Sometimes I do it that way, but we're just going to remove the seeds. Now we're going to transfer this right there. Next, I have 1 cloves of garlic. Okay. Add that in. Next, I have 1 shallot. We're going to transfer that right in here. We're going to add in some red wine vinegar, about, I'll say 4 tablespoons. Ooh, ooh, okay. Gotta be careful with that. 4 tablespoons, and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. And you're going to mix that up together. And I'm going to season it with truffle salt and pepper, okay? If you don't have truffle salt, you can use regular salt. It's just gonna add a nice little unique flavor to it. Mix it up, and we're going to cover this, place it in the fridge. Obviously, you can taste it to see if you need to add any more salt. But it looks good, the color's there, consistency's there, looks really good. All right, guys, we're using a ribeye steak for today's recipe. Look how beautiful this steak is. Nice fat all over, all around it to make it nice and juicy. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. I'm going to rub that in. Then we're going to use salt and pepper, truffle salt that is. You can use regular salt, but you know, truffle salt make it taste even better. Now you need a good amount of salt on the steak. Make it nice and flavorful all around it. Forget that. And now we are ready to pan-sear this steak. I have my cast iron smoking hot, as you guys can see. I want a beautiful sear on that steak, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Then we're going to place the steak right in, just like this. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes per side, then flip over, so we can get that medium to medium well doneness. Yeah. We're going to flip it over. Woo! Looking good. Oh yes. Now it's the time to add the butter. So go in with your butter. And then you're going in with some rosemary, shallot, add some more flavor to that, and some crushed garlic. Ooh, ooh, ooh. As it's cooking, we're going to baste it, okay? Going to just, all that flavor from the rosemary, the garlic, the shallot, just baste the steak with that. Oh yes. The aroma in here is absolutely delicious. Oof, oof, oof. Yes, ma'am. It's so delicious. Just gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes so we can remove it. Let's fry these. These rosemaries need to be frying so they can release that beautiful flavor, beautiful aroma into our steak. Baste it. Ooh. All right, guys, look at our steak. It's looking so beautiful. I'm going to place it into this rack just so it doesn't sit in its own juice and, you know, messed up my beautiful crust. So I'm just gonna let it sit here to rest for a few minutes. Let me show you guys how to make a quick, delicious mashed potatoes, okay? I already drained the water, as you can see. I'm going in a little bit of heavy whipping cream to season, pretty light, garlic powder, butter, about 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix that together. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt as well. Easy peasy. And there you have it. Quick, easy, nothing major. And let me tell you, it tastes really, really good. All right, y'all, it's time to plate this beautiful steak. So I'm going in by removing the bone. Ooh, like this. Beautiful. Cut that off. Ooh, looking good. Let me show you guys the cut. You'll see this? This is how I like it, okay? Now let's plate this. Y'all see how bomb that steak looks? Anyways, let's try it. It looks so gorgeous. My mouth is watering. Cheers, y'all. So good. The chimichurri just takes it to a whole nother level. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Leave a comment. Let me know what type of side would you pair with this steak. It is absolutely delicious. What type of side would you pair with it? Also, like this video if it was helpful, if you enjoy it. Also, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.